In the fevered optimism of the early Cold War, designers imagined a kitchen powered by the atom itself. The molecular meal machine, or M.M.M, appeared on the glossy spreads of 1955 Popular Science as the ultimate home of the future appliance, a gleaming, chrome-clad tower that promised to synthesize a full dinner from powdery nutrients in under a minute. Formally, the M.M.M is a vertical composition of 3 concentric drums, each slightly larger than the one below, stacked atop a compact control console. The outer hull is a brushed aluminum skin punctuated with bold, radiating fins that echo the period's atomic motifs. Rotating doors reminiscent of jet-age cockpits seal each drum, while a central glass aperture reveals a whirling vortex of ingredients. The device stands roughly 6 feet tall, its silhouette anchored by a triangular base that suggests a launch pad, evoking both machinery and sculpture. Functionally, the concept leveraged imagined, molecular reassembly technology. Users would load powdered protein, carbohydrate, and lipid cartridges into the lowest drum, select a menu via rotary dials, and the machine would subject the mixture to high-frequency microwaves and centrifugal forces. As the drums spun faster, a subtle ionizing mist would be emitted, theoretically fusing the powders with trace water to form a complete meal, soup, casserole, or dessert, which would emerge from a dispensing chute. Though the science was speculative, the design visualized a seamless workflow, storage, processing, and serving integrated into one monolithic unit, eliminating the need for stovetops, ovens, or dishwashers. Aesthetically, the M.M.M embodies the mid-century futurist ideal. Its smooth, reflective surfaces, pastel-hued schematics, and stylized atomic symbols convey an aura of polished efficiency and boundless progress. The illustration's limited palette, soft teal, chrome, and sunshine yellow, partners with clean line work and dramatic perspective, placing the machine within a sleek kitchen tableau complete with terrazzo flooring and a backdrop of starburst windows. The M.M.M is less a practical gadget than a cultural artifact, capturing a moment when the atom promised not only weapons, but nourishment and convenience for the American household.